Today we have a video from Cam Max, and the title of the video is Suspect Steals Cop's Body Cam and Records the Crime.
This camera.
He was literally on me. He was literally on me.
Dispatch sent police racing to a residential neighborhood after multiple frantic callers reported shots fired. Now, cops are accustomed to dealing with violence, liars, and criminals. But early on this morning, these officers were about to discover a completely new level of stupidity.
I've been there for you, bitch. Really?
Stop! Don't do it. Stop. Hey, don't do it, young lady. I'm sorry, man. Stop. Just don't do it. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Let's
see, show me the drive. Hey, ma'am. Ma'am.
Get the
I'll do it. Come on. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
We're so fucked up, man.
Relax.
I'm not putting my hands on you.
Relax.
Chill, Abby, just chill. Abby, don't do that. Abby, chill. Abby.
I ain't tripping on nobody, bro. You really?
Abby, just relax.
I got you on the car, bro. Bro, you ain't
Just relax.
You ain't
Let's walk her over here.
You hit me tonight.
2651 detained. Stand up. Stand up.
Oh,
You were capable to push and shove and push on me, and now you can't walk. Stand up. You're an adult.
All right, what's going on tonight?
This is
Here, just against the car. I don't want y'all getting smoked or anything. You'd buy a car, you know what I mean? Yeah. So what's going on?
She was in the restroom. Somebody was banging on the door. They didn't know she was in there. She got offensive, started fighting. She was leaving.
Okay.
I guess she's looking for her phone, and then this is his car, and she just opened the car and was going. Her friend.
Okay.
I know, but I'm just being honest. Like, that's all he's asking for. Like, she was trying to look. She just wanted her phone.
Get in.
Ma'am, stand up and get in the car.
I'll go around. Spin her around.
All right.
How old is she?
He's like 22, 23.
All right, give me watch this. Stand up.
Come on. Stand up. You're an adult.
Man, you better hit a pressure point. Get her ass together, boy. She stand up real quick.
Can you grab both of her arms so you don't hurt her? I need you to step back. She's refusing to stand.
I'm not refusing.
You are.
Anything.
Come on.
Okay,
It's just,
all right.
there's no need for nobody to go to
Like, everybody's been trying to get her home, and she just
Okay.
doesn't really.
So another reason we're here too, right, is because somebody was saying that there were shots being fired.
We didn't hear nothing. I didn't hear nothing. Did y'all hear something? I didn't. Me, honestly, I mean, I thought it was fire. It was down that way. I don't
It
know.
was down.
Nah. You too quick. The officer couldn't even finish what he was saying. Oh, no, I didn't hear anything. Did you hear anything? Oh, did you hear? I didn't hear nothing. Oh, no, that was about 45 miles away.
On the road that way? Okay.
I didn't hear nothing. Yeah, if there was shots, man, we would have been gone.
Okay.
You know, but no, but honestly speaking, like,
13 PD. We're 10-4.
10-4, 10-36.
Do you even know what 36 means? No, 36.
37.
No.
What is 36? What's the bathroom?
I can't tell you what our 10 codes are, man. That's like against the rules. There's a bunch. There's like 100. You know?
Officer Cena always makes an impression when she arrives on a scene. This is the second Cam Max episode where a suspect flirts with her. Check the link in the description to see if that prior suspect fared any better than the body cam snatcher.
We can't. I guess he knows you from somewhere. He's all worried.
No, I thought you were cute.
I don't know any of them.
Hey, excuse me, ma'am. Where'd you get that from?
What?
That's mine.
Calm down.
Abby, it's worse on you.
I'm not doing shit.
Trying to help you though, bro. You won't get in the car. Stop it. Push your feet out. Go in.
This camera. So I guess she's
Can you grab my body cam down to that car?
Oh, I got you.
Where's it at?
Should be right here.
Hey, 14. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to record you. That's just not my person.
Go ahead, put your hands behind your back.
What'd I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can I ask what I did?
Yeah, it's called tampering with evidence. That body camera in your hand is evidence.
Who dropped?
Doesn't matter.
I found it on the floor.
He just picked it up.
Go ahead and walk this way.
All right, you're gonna have to talk to my lawyer.
That's fine.
All right. They dropped the body cam and I picked it up.
They
They're trying to blame me for it.
What'd you do with it?
I just picked it up. I didn't know what it was.
All right, keep walking.
Well, why not arresting him? Because your officer dropped the body cam. That should be on your officer. That should be on your officer.
Sir, you need a belt.
I know. I thought I had one.
Your officer dropped the body cam. My friend picked it up. He wasn't going to keep it. He's not going to go home and take it home.
Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Who's this?
You're gonna get a charge for criminal damage and keep kicking my door. How did you get out of your cup? Turn around.
I just wanted to.
I see why they're friends. I see why all of them are a friend group, man. Bunch of dodo birds, man. For real, for real. Just
do anything you want me to do. Just stop.
You slip.
Calm down, okay? Just calm
That
down.
thing was cinched down there.
I fucking ripped my whole shit to it. Don't do that. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Turn around, face that way. No, you're not getting out of the car.
Went over there being a.
Okay, dude, let me.
Daniel's going to jail. Daniel's going to jail, nigga. He'll be
For
out.
what?
He'll be out
For what?
Monday morning.
Because your officer dropped his body
It's
cam?
all right, nigga. They don't even have the name.
Your officer dropped his body cam, and that's what my friend's fault?
Okay,
She knocks my body cam off.
Y'all got a lawsuit, bro. Remember my name, bro. Y'all got a lawsuit, nigga.
okay, just do me a favor and walk over there until I figure out what's going on.
So you realize that what you did is a crime, right?
I mean, I guess. I don't know.
So you realize that that body camera is police evidence.
I didn't know that.
And that he had dropped it, and we went over there looking for it. You heard us looking for it.
I did not hear
and you concealed it on your person
I didn't.
when you held it in your hand when I walked past you. You knew we were looking for that body camera, and you had it in your hand the entire time. And instead of saying, "Hey, officer, I have your body camera," you sat there and laughed with your friends. Okay? So right now you're being charged with tampering with evidence.
We can't have that. Like what she just committed is a felony. When you put your hands on us, it's a felony.
I try to get her under control, but she's like, it's hard. Like, it really is hard.
You guys been friends for a while?
For a couple of years.
Okay.
It just got out of control. It's just not even worth it. Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine. She's just back there kind of mad.
Do you want another charge?
No.
Do you want? You're sit. Put your feet in.
Yes.
You're putting your seatbelt on. You kick my cage one more time, I'm charging you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
So, like I said, his body camera was right here on the outside of the car. So the lady went over there to look for it, picked up the magnet, and I was like, "Oh, maybe it's under the car."
Right.
So I get down, look under the car, not under the car.
So
Look up, light flashing in his hand, and as soon as I walk up towards him, he turns sideways and just sits there and laughs. Right? Doesn't say, "Hey, officer, here's your body camera," nothing like that. Okay, just holds it in his hand, trying to conceal it in his hands.
Okay.
So he's going to go to jail tonight for tampering with evidence.
Okay.
Yeah, I know her.
That's your friend?
Just be okay, okay? No, don't touch me. I'm letting them touch me. Please, bro, just back off.
Okay.
I know.
Your feet in.
Cops touch me. Are you
Come on,
letting the
let's-
cops touch me?
Okay, say bye.
Don't touch me, bro.
Put your knees in. Okay.
Does she have a phone or anything that she's going to want?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because she's catching a ride.
She won't be out at least until Monday.
Go ahead and step up.
The body cam snatcher was hit with a felony charge for tampering with evidence. And because that police gear was valued at $665, he caught a second felony charge for grand larceny.
Quit. I don't know.
You know, I think her stuff is gonna get dropped or whatever, but I hope he does get charged, man. Like the judge has to set the, judge, DA, y'all gotta set an example. You cannot let the public know that it's okay for somebody to take an officer's camera. So hopefully he gets something, but we gonna see.
How much tighter I gotta make these cuffs on you. Get out. Stand up and get out. Stand up and get out.
Officers transported the woman to the jail, but once they arrived, she insisted she needed medical attention. As a result, she was taken from the jail to the hospital. The drive gave the woman an opportunity to sober up and calm herself down.
You have any medical problems?
No.
Okay.
Can I leave yet?
Let's just stop for a few minutes, okay? Any chance you're pregnant?
No.
Abigail, stop. Any symptoms?
You guys were being rude as fuck to me.
I work here at the hospital. I'm with him.
I'm not talking to you.
That's okay.
I'm talking to you.
I'm going to listen.
You're being rude as fuck to me.
No, I'm not.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm going to listen to your heart and lungs, okay?
No.
No? You don't want to
No.
get checked? Okay.
You guys were being rude as fuck.
Okay. Abigail, calm
So
down.
no. Thank
So
you.
you don't want us to examine
No,
you?
until I have another emergency.
Okay. Hang out.
Can I have another person?
No, you
Check
can't.
me?
That's not how it works.
No.
We're in the emergency room.
You
There's one
guys were
doctor.
checking me?
Okay. All right, Abigail. No.
So I need somebody else.
Nope. Stop. I'm going to put you in leg shackles, Abigail. Do you understand? Sit down. Sit down. Take a seat and don't move. I've been nice to you the entire night, and you're screwing it up. Sit down. I'm going to put you in leg shackles if you get up again. Do you understand? Knock it off. Come on out.
Just gotta treat him like a child.
Keep putting himself on me. I know. No. Medical.
She refused everything. They got vitals on her, and then as soon as they started asking her questions, she refused.
On me for no reason. She was literally on me. She was literally on me. I'll tell
She-
you what else.
They got vitals on her, and as soon as they started asking her questions, she got
It was
upset.
literally on him. He's lying. Look at his ass. He had me. He had my.
All right, thank you.
The woman was charged with 2 fourth-degree felonies, battery on a peace officer for striking the officer and ripping away his body cam, and escape from custody for twice slipping her handcuffs inside the patrol unit. The officers also tacked on a misdemeanor charge for resisting or obstructing an officer.
God, thank God for body camera.
Want to see another suspect take a shot and miss with Officer Cena? Click the Cop Cam Max episode on your...
Okay. Damn, I wish we had results. I'm definitely interested in the results of the guy who took the body camera. Oh well.